Have you ever sat down watching someone stream on Twitch or YouTube and thought, wait a second, this guy's literally playing video games and making money? Why can't I do that? Well, the truth is, you can. In this video, we're diving into how you can actually make money streaming games. And I'm not just talking about the flashy millionaire streams at the top. I'm talking about real, everyday people building side hustles around streaming and how platforms like Patreon can make the whole thing way more sustainable. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you turn your skills and passions into income. Now, if you've ever thought about getting into game streaming, or maybe you've already started and you're trying to figure out how to make it pay, this video is going to break it all down for you. So grab your controller, because we're jumping right in. Why game streaming is still a big deal. Now, streaming isn't new. Twitch has been around for years. YouTube has built out its live side, and even platforms like Kick and Facebook Gaming have carved out their slice of the market. But here's the wild part. Streaming is still growing. The reason is simple. People love watching other people play games. It's not just about the gameplay. It's about the personality, the laughs, the stories, the late night conversations in chat. For a lot of viewers, it feels like hanging out with friends. And when you create that kind of connection, money naturally follows. Now, some people hear streaming and they think it's too crowded. Isn't Twitch already saturated? Sure, there are a lot of streamers out there, but most of them aren't consistent. They don't engage their viewers and they don't treat it like a real side hustle. If you're willing to actually put in effort, show up, and build community, there's still room for you. And the cool part is that you don't need tens of thousands of people watching to make it worth your while. Even a small, tight-knit audience can turn into a reliable stream of income. How streamers actually make money. All right, let's break this down because a lot of people overcomplicate it. Streamers usually get paid through a mix of different sources: subscriptions, donations, ads, sponsorships, and then things like Patreon, which we'll get into more later. Subscriptions. Now on Twitch, people can subscribe for $4.99 a month, sometimes more if they go for higher tiers. Twitch takes a cut, but you still get about half. Doesn't sound like much at first, right? But if you get 100 subscribers, that's $250 to $350 a month in your pocket. That's groceries, that's gas, that's bills. YouTube has something similar with channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee to unlock perks like emotes or badges. It's the same concept. Recurring income from people who want to support you. Donations and bits. This is the wild card money. Twitch has bits, YouTube has super chats, and there's always direct donations through PayPal or other services. Sometimes a viewer will randomly drop $10, $20, or even $100 because they're enjoying themselves. Obviously, you can't plan your life around that, but it adds up. Next is ads. Ads aren't glamorous, and let's be honest, most streamers don't love running ads because it interrupts the flow. But they can still contribute to a chunk of your income, especially on YouTube where ad revenue is stronger. On Twitch, unless you're huge, ads aren't going to make you rich. But hey, it's still a part of the pie. Sponsorships. This is where things can get fun. Brands will pay you to promote their gear, their game, or their service. And you don't need to be a giant streamer to get deals. Some companies are happy to work with smaller creators because they know smaller audiences are often more loyal and engaged. And here's the key takeaway. Most streamers don't rely on just one of these things. They combine them. Subs plus donations plus ads plus a sponsorship here and there, that's where the real money comes from. And when you layer Patreon on top of it, you unlock something even better. Stability. How much can you actually make? All right, let's get real with some of the numbers. On one end, you've got guys like Kai Cenat pulling in millions. In 2024, he reportedly made over $3 million in just a single month, which is insane. But don't let that discourage you, because that's not the benchmark. That's the extreme outlier. Most full-time streamers that you've heard of are probably making $10,000 to $30,000 a month. That's with a few thousand people watching consistently, some good sponsorships, and a loyal subscriber base. Now let's bring it back to something more relatable. Small and mid-sized streamers. Even with 50 to 100 consistent viewers, it's possible to pull in $500 to $2,000 a month. That's a solid side hustle right there, and it can grow if you stick with it. And here's the kicker. When you add Patreon to the mix, those numbers can get a serious boost. Because instead of crossing your fingers every month for donors and subs, Patreon lets you build a predictable monthly paycheck. Why Patreon matters. Let's be honest here. Twitch and YouTube are great, but they're not built to guarantee you a stable income. Some months people sub, other months they don't. Ad rates change, algorithms shift, sponsorships come and go. It's unpredictable. Patreon solves that. It's a membership platform where your fans commit to supporting you monthly in exchange for perks. Think of it as your backstage pass club. The real magic of Patreon is its stability. If you've got 100 people supporting you at just $5 a month, It's $500 coming in reliably. Doesn't matter if Twitch decides to tweak payouts or YouTube pushes your content less. You've got steady income that you can count on. And it's not just money, it's loyalty. When someone signs up on Patreon, they're basically saying, I'm in this with you. That makes them way more invested in your success. How to use Patreon the right way. So how do you actually set up Patreon in a way that works? Let's walk through this. Step 1 is tell your story. People don't support streamers just because they play games. They support them because they connect with their story. So when you set up Patreon, don't just say, hey, support me. Tell people what they're helping you do. Maybe it's upgrading your setup. Maybe it's allowing you to stream more often. Maybe it's covering the cost of new games so you can make more content. Make it personal. Step 2, set goals that feel fun. Goals are like rally points for your community. Say, when we hit 50 patrons, I'll do a special 12-hour marathon stream. Or when we reach $1,000 a month, I'll invest in a new camera and lighting. People love being part of milestones. Step 3, create tiers that actually matter. Now, don't overcomplicate this. Start with something simple. A $3 to $5 tier where people get shout outs and maybe a Discord role. A $10 to $15 tier where you give early access to highlights or host bonus streams. A higher tier where you do private Q&As or invite people to community game nights. The point is to make people feel like they're getting something special. Now, step 4, be consistent. If you promise perks, deliver them. Nothing kills Patreon faster than forgetting about your patrons. Even if it's just a quick post, a behind the scenes update, or a thank you message, consistency keeps people around. Adding digital products. Now here's where things get interesting. Patreon is great, but you can also layer in digital products to increase your income. Think about it. You're already making content. Why not package some of it? You could create game guides or ebooks, custom overlays or wallpapers, behind the scene videos, exclusive tutorial content. You can sell these on platforms like SamCart or Thrivecart, or even include them as a Patreon rewards. For example, your $15 tier might include a free monthly download. That way, you're giving your patrons even more value. The 100 True Fans concept. There's a classic idea in the creator world called 100 True Fans. The concept is simple. You don't need millions of people watching you. You just need 100 people who genuinely support you. If 100 people are paying you $10 a month on Patreon, that's $1,000 a month. Add in Twitch subs, donations, and maybe a small sponsorship, and suddenly you're making a part-time or even a full-time income. That's the beauty of streaming combined with Patreon. It's not about going viral once. It's about building a group of people who actually care about what you're doing. Real life examples. So we already talked a little bit about Kai Cenat, the massive success story, but there are plenty of smaller creators making it work too. I've seen streamers with just a couple hundred viewers pulling in $1,500 to $2,000 a month by mixing Patreon and Twitch income. I've also seen creators who aren't even streaming full time, but are making $500 extra a month on Patreon alone. That's a car payment or a savings boost or just some extra breathing room in your budget. And outside of gaming, Patreon creators with only a few hundred supporters regularly make $3,000 to $5,000 a month. If they can do it, there's no reason you can't as a streamer. So here's the bottom line. Streaming games is one of the best side hustles out there, but the secret isn't just hoping you blow up on Twitch or YouTube. It's about combining different income streams, building real community, and using tools like Patreon to make your money steady and reliable. If you start small, keep consistent, and focus on the people who actually care about your content, you'll be surprised how fast it grows. So the real question is, what's your story? What kind of community do you want to build? And how can you give your fans more ways to be part of it? Because at the end of the day, that's what makes streaming sustainable. It's not just about you playing games. It's about creating a space that people want to come back to and giving them the chance to support it. Now, if you want to get started with Patreon, we've got a link for you down in the description. Patreon is actually free to get started. They just take 10% of whatever you make. So if we come here to the pricing page, we can go ahead and see that, it's free to get started. They just take 10% of the income that you earn on Patreon, which is a great deal. So if you want to get started with Patreon, just click the link down in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create content just like this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we cover a range of different side hustles to help you make an extra income, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.